Welcome back to Tech Rums. Today we're going to show you how to take off the strap on the Apple Watch SE. All we have to do is turn around the watch, and you'll notice on the top and the bottom there's these little buttons on the Apple Watch, the physical watch, and we have to press them with a nail, and if we don't have a nail, maybe some object, and slide the strap sideways. It's a little hard to do because it's very, very snug, and same thing goes on the other side. We press it and we actually turn it. As you can see, it literally slides off, as you can see, and this now is off. Now we have our watch on its own, which we can change straps, or if we want to just have it like that, that's how we can have it. But yeah, that's how you remove these straps from the Apple Watch SE. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.